today we come together under the vibrant theme of Hustle and Shine, capturing the essence of our event, Hustle for Determination, and then Shine for celebrating our brilliance. Because tonight we will celebrate those who made it to our third quarter awardees.
It's really a Merry Christmas with a theme, Hustle and Shine. Mga hustlers daw tayong lahat. A Suntrust hustler is relentless. Ibig sabihin, hindi titigil ang isang Suntrust hustler hanggat hindi niya nakuha yung gusto niya. Let us all the more shine with these shining dresses of ours featuring the best of 70s. Nating kalilimutan that we are all talented. In fact, kaya nga ikaw nandito dahil nakapag-produce ka. Diba? Palampakan natin ang mga sarili natin. Thank you, our Saint Santlastis, for your continuous loyalty and patronage and service to the company. God bless us all. Let's enjoy the party!
2023, kung ano man nangyari, wala na tayong mababago dyan kahit ano pang sabihin ko ngayon. Let us just prepare and do not lose hope for 2024.
Let us not forget, with all the blessings that we will be getting, with all the blessings that we have gotten for the year, let us not forget, we need to share, we need to share, we need to share. Okay?
Let's hustle too. I wanna boogie with you.
Hustle is the ability to do the work that other people do not do. Kasi mainit, umuulan, nakakapagod, that's why they don't do it. But you yourself, if you have the quality of being a hustler, ikaw ang gagawa doon. Kasi opportunities yon. By hustling, you find a way to love what you are doing. You must have to love the job that you are doing. Hustle so that you can really hustle hard enough na kahit mapapagod ka, you're still doing it. Always look at life with positivism. Diba? Positivism. Kahit anong nangyayari. Diba? Palakpakan natin yung hope na yan and yung dream na yan so that we can recover from this performance in 2023.